Johannesburg, South Africa.
The residents were complaining about the high crime rate, drugs and prostitution dens, amongst other issues. SABC reporter.
Hey guys, good morning from Maboneng. My name is Johannesburg. If you're here for the first time, I do lifestyle and travel videos. Today I'm going to be exploring one part of Johannesburg that is not very popular, explored by most travel YouTubers. I'm going to be exploring Johannesburg. Is it city center? Yeah. Yes, most part of the Johannesburg city center, but I'm not going to be doing it alone. I'm going to be with...
Good morning guys, my name is Tsepo and I'm an experienced curator for Main Street Walks, and we also run a concept called Curiosity Hostels, and really the idea is to change the bad narrative of Johannesburg one tour at a time. We are going to be engaging with a lot of interesting landscape, a lot of public arts, and yeah, have fun and stay tuned.
Sure guys, so yeah, as you also said, Curiosity Backpackers has also different accommodations. I was looking the other day, it has it has backpackers which goes to around 180 rand I think per night. So I think I'm going to be staying here next weekend to just show you that other part of a cheap accommodation. But for now, let's go for a walk. The weather is a bit foggy, it might be raining, but we have umbrellas and we're well prepared.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly, look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it.
So we first explored the contemporary neighborhood of Maboneng in Johannesburg, South Africa, in the city center. It has so many rental and studio spaces such as the container homes. It was my first time seeing container homes and I was very excited because it's something that I like. It also has plenty of art galleries that also have studio spaces but also have beautiful outdoor restaurants that give you a good vibe with sculptures and many other interesting things, creative things as well. But also it has restaurants, it has cafes, it has bars that you could stay in and hang out with friends or work from. Very nice, very artistic and very creative as well. Also they do have boutiques and small businesses around it which make it very interesting. But what really stood out was the amount of art in buildings and paintings. It's just amazing. So we have been walking for just about an hour and a half or something. But one thing that I've noticed is that I haven't felt unsafe like how I would expected, or how, because I've been to these places. I've been to Maboneng, as I've told you, I've been to Shakers. But all the times when I pass with the Uber around these areas, I just feel like if I was outside, it could be a different story. But I haven't seen anyone harassing us or anything, even having the camera on. So I think you should come and see it for yourself before you hear the news and just take it as it is. So another thing that I've noted about Maboneng, this area has a lot of artwork. I've taken some pictures of some of the artworks that I liked, and I think for a person who really likes art, it's a very good area to explore. So this is Gerald City. It's the new development of Maboneng. As you can see, it's more modern compared to the previous parts of Maboneng that I've showed you, but it still has that artistic feeling to it and it's amazing. So let's explore Johannesburg. So I also didn't give you guys details on how much this tour costs. This tour costs 350 rand. It's from 10 to 2 every Tuesday, Saturday and Thursday. So it takes you around all places in Johannesburg. From Maboneng, you start in Fox Street where the Curiosity Backpackers is to all around Johannesburg, to up to the tallest building, the first tallest building. So that's where we're heading out right now. And yeah, also as mentioned before, for people that are really interested to move into Maboneng part and maybe they're worried about the safety, there are a lot of new developments that accommodate families, which have schools, which have supermarkets. Like where I am now, it's Joel City, and as you can see behind me is Chicken Lick, and they have McDonald's on the other side, and it has like a playground for kids, and it has that neighborhood safety neighborhood for families as well. So if you're looking at moving to Maboneng, there are a lot of places that can cater for your needs for accommodation as well. So it's not just touristic, but you can also stay here. Second tallest building after the Leonardo in Sandton. If you've been following me on my channel for a while, last year I tried to film the video in the Leonardo being the tallest building, but I'll probably do it sometime this year. And it has 228 meters high, 223, it's 223 meters high. Here's the CARLTON Hotel, which is also, it was one of the best hotels, but it's been closed down for a while. How long has it been closed for?
Closed down in 1997.
1997. I was actually born 1 year before that. So yeah, but it's not been opened or resumed yet, but I hope it's going to be resumed in the future. So at the CARLTON Center, they also do have a viewing desk at the top, but it's closed because of COVID regulations and stuff, but I hope it's going to be open at some point. But also I'll try to go to it when it's open.
Talk to me honestly, look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me.
We also passed through at the Gandhi Square, which is located in the central business district of Johannesburg. The Gandhi Square is named after the political activist Mahatma Gandhi. For those that don't know, Mahatma Gandhi settled in South Africa for 21 years from 1893 to 1914. There's also a statue of him which you can also take picture, but now it's just a normal terminal bus station. This is a similar one to the other one. Hey guys, so we've come to the end of our tour today of the Johannesburg walking tour with Curiosity Africa. Please follow them on Instagram, check them on their website for any experiences that they curated within Johannesburg. So we are now at a place called James Ethiopian Cafe. We're going to be having Ethiopian food with Sepo, and I want to say I really enjoyed my walk with him. He was very detailed and he was keen to help me with pictures and stuff, which is always important, especially if you're a YouTuber or a travel content creator. So yeah, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up if you liked it, and stay tuned for more videos from this Johannesburg exploration series.